If you're looking for a quick breakfast recipe or something to make with the kids, this recipe is for you. These pancake bites come together so quickly and so easily. To start off with, to a jug, add half a cup of self-rising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. To this, add half a cup of milk, half a tablespoon of sunflower oil, a quarter teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix until it's smooth. To make our pancake bites, we're going to spoon the mixture into a mini cupcake tray. You'll get about 10 pancake bites with this mix, but you can easily adjust this to make more or less. The great thing about this recipe is that you can customize it to your preferences, so you can top up your pancake bites with whatever you like. We're using a mix of raspberries, Nutella and blueberry jam. You can use a toothpick to mix the Nutella or the blueberry jam into the batter. Once they're ready, you'll want to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once they're done, they'll look something like this, and serve them warm with some maple syrup.